We've been around in business since 1963, a company born by our late founder, Mr. Stan Perrin. Our strategic approach is to make sure that we keep customers' vehicles on the road, to make sure that they're aligned with the Toyota brand, hopefully forever. So the two main reasons we moved into this facility is, firstly, we were out of room down our existing facility, and the second main reason was that we needed a facility that we could grow into over a period of time, and not something that we grew out of quickly.
Some of the biggest challenges we were facing in our old facility was our team members doing a lot of inefficient and unproductive tasks, and it was a key vision of ours to make sure that we close those gaps in the new facility by having our team members only perform productive tasks.
We chose Vanderland firstly for their product offering, and I think secondly the reason we chose Vanderland is their values as a company align very well with our values as an organisation.
We selected Vanderland for its product and the ability that we can move product quickly through our facility, and also capitalise on future market opportunities such as e-commerce, and the ability for us to be able to tap into that market space with the right technology. Right through the Vanderland system, at any step through the process, there's an abundance of redundancy that gave us the confidence to make sure that our system remains up at all times and mitigate any downtime risk. During the installation phase, their team were very accommodating with many of our requests and changes that we found along the way, and they were very, very easy to work with.
So Vanderland did really well. The communication, so a couple of people that were heading the project were really good. We kind of kept away from them for most of the time, but whenever we were involved, they had a lot of knowledge and kept us up to date to where they were at every minute of the project, which was really good.
So the biggest benefit for us is the quickness of the system, the accuracy of the system, and the ability to train people into the system. Our relationship with Vanderland has been exceptional. Right from the beginning, when we first met Roald, right through to the opening night where Roald come across for the opening, everything in between has been a fantastic journey between the two companies.
We describe our relationship with Vanderlander as one of a true partnership. And we said this all along, right from the onset of selecting a supplier. We wanted to partner with a supplier for life and make sure that we both equally leverage off this fantastic project well into the future.
Solution's been really good, having the picked person, the product coming to you. It's freed up some of our staff so we can do other things and a lot more maintenance, which has been really productive for us.
Our skilled people are more productive at what they do. It's ensured that we're not performing the unproductive tasks such as moving empty trolleys or empty containers around, and allowed us to focus on the job at hand and making our facility flow a lot smoother and on time every time.
Vanderlander, moving your business forward.